Do you know Rob Nurden? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's fucking great. He drinks cider.
I've had to do a clearing in my life of some people whose energy I realized was not supportive of who I wanted to be in the world. And I recognize there are people who are not going to take responsibility for their energy. So I now have to take responsibility for the energy that I allow to be brought into my space. Life-changing for me. And what I know is that you cannot continue to move forward in your life to the level and level and level that you need to be if you're surrounded by energy that brings you down, that sucks the life force from you. So not only are you responsible for the energy that you bring, is what I learned, you're also responsible for the energy that you surround yourself with.
Go on, get out of here.
You bastard. You will never stop me watching the Robert Nurden channel. Fuck off.
Excuse me, mate. Fuck off. Fuck off. Excuse me, mate. Fuck off, will you? Excuse me, mate. I'm fucking busy now. Fuck off. Fucking twat. Fuck off. Excuse me. Will you fuck off? Are these your keys? Do you watch Rob Nurden?
Yeah, man. You know, he's okay, mate. But, you know, man, he just like take the piss out of everybody, you know, man. And he's okay, you know. But sometimes he's not so okay, you know. He's moody and broody. Strange fucker, you know.
I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.